So I'm going to take an obnoxious video for no reason at all, just because I haven't done it in a while, and because I'm bored at home for the time being. So yeah, I miss you, and I'm coming to Arizona. Well, working on it anyways, but yeah, I'll see you soon, and yeah, so be ready to be annoyed for the time I'm there. Okay, well, that ruined the video, so I'm gonna go now.